Friday morning. It's already getting hot. We're in the $1 million neighborhood. This is what happens when a lawn company cuts up a tree, doesn't have the equipment, calls another company who has landscaping equipment, and these guys have done work for them for years, and they do work in golf courses everywhere. They sent out a two-man crew, the guy's brother, owner's brother, and super guys. Anyway, remember the other day I did a smaller uproot? Today we're going to show you, I'll turn the camera around and show you what we're up to. Okay, we're back. See that phone pole right there? It's brand new, so are the transformers. See that home there? It's missing a fence. Apparently a big, looks like hackberry. This is what's left from the lawn company. They couldn't cut it anymore. They have to come back and haul it. This is the landscaping guys here. Apparently that tree, when it fell, it took out the neighbor's fence, took out the phone pole, which we had to wait for that to be replaced, line secured, all that. And here's one of the climbers slash ground men, real good guy. All the work today is being on the ground. I'm here, it's 8 a.m. They've been here before me. They've cut these sections out. They're using a dig switch to load up the bigger sections in a dump trailer. And this is what I got to do. Fell through this fence. You can tell it's a nice home. And remember the smaller uproot? Well, they've cut some weight off of it on this job. And this is the one I had to do today. I'll be here probably about an hour. They're cutting the access so I can come in from that side and don't disturb. You know, it's like a park back here. So I'm coming from an empty lot through that gap. I'll come down here, and this is another uproot. And give you an idea how big this bad boy is. It's got a whole tunnel going down in there. So I'll have to be careful. How I'll attack this one is, I'll come in from this side, vibrate the dirt in, swing over on this side like we did in the other one. I'll vibrate the dirt in, and then I come in from the corners or head on, I'm not sure, or even hit this from the back, I'm not sure. Depends how the dirt falls and what kind of a ramp I can come in it, okay? Remember, most people panic on these uproots. You know what today is. It's ching-a-ling, ching-a-ling. It's a great way to start your morning. Anyway, I'll show you when I'm halfway done. Okay, remember the last video of the uproot? I told you if you get a really big stump, you build a ramp, you drive up from the side and the side. And here, you get you a better view. Sun's in her eyes. See that dirt pile? I don't know if you can see. I'm driving it up. I'm coming up the dirt pile. I'll be able to ramp and catch the upper part of that stump. The dirt's going to fall into that hole. Okay? So I'm going to tell you, build a ramp. Doesn't matter what size machine you got. As you grind, the chips come in front, and you build yourself a ramp. That way you can get taller than what the head will reach on the stump drive. Okay, sorry for the noise. It's a total of 5 minutes worth of grinding. Trying to let you know. You can see the ramp a little bit better with the sun's in our eyes here. We're up at an angle. We're at the top of the stump. Just made that ramp, right? Other dirt's falling back in the hole. I'm going to complete this part all the way up to here and hit it from the other side. This whole part here may just fall in when I get that far. We'll see. Okay, 5 minutes worth of grinding. This is a really big stump, probably 10 foot wide. Anyway, let's get back after it. Time is money. All right, excuse the noise. It's real loud. I'm going to try to grind with one hand. All right, show you how I'm going to do this. Whoa. Filming and grinding. Don't like doing it? Take that on the southpaw. You notice the hole's filling up? Bring that head up again. Come in. Notice all the fresh going in the hole. Got to go back to 2 hands because time is money. Alright, I blasted right through the side. All I got is the top left. I'm blasting right from behind it because I'm keeping all the chips in this flower bed, rather on the lawn. Alright, so I'm going through the rotted part that snapped off underneath the ground. My hole is filled in. Now that big canyon ahead, I can drive over it now. So I'm going to hit it from the back and then come back and swing on this side and come in it this way. All right? I'm going to do 5 more minutes this way and then I'll turn it over here. The reason why when you're filming and you look at the wheel, it looks like it's hardly turning, is because frames per second on when you're filming, okay? That wheel is spinning actually really fast. The camera's catching it to where it looks like every tooth, okay? Just a little FYI. All right. We're done with the job. I'm not push blading this because the landscaping company is taking it away. I'm going to do some dressing, fixing up the area and all, since this tree uprooted and all. Anyway, as you saw, just climb up. It's too tall for you, build yourself a ramp out of the chips, climb up it, finish grinding it, and go on to the next one. Anyway, hang around. There'll be a question for the sticker coming up after I get home later on today and take a shower. Anyway, God bless. Okay, we're home. We cleaned up. Turned out to be hotter than hell today. I think I did about 6 jobs. My brother grabbed 2 of them for me, thank God. Heat index got well over 100. Hydraulic machines don't like high heat conditions, okay? I try to stop by 1, but today I pushed myself because I was backlogging. Guys keep calling me, or this job don't get done, they can't get paid, they can't pay their employees. That's one of the cons of being a subcontractor, okay? Gotta make everybody happy. Anyway, thanks for everybody for liking and subscribing, and the comments have been fantastic. Every now and then I get 1 or 2 negative comments, but hey, it's not bad. Plus, I got a button over here. I press delete. The question today for the contest to win is, in the movie Vanilla Sky, Tom Cruise was a star. What car was he driving? I want to know exactly what car he was driving, okay? And I don't need to know the year, but, you know, the make and model, and there's something else to that car. It's easy, just Google it, you'll see what I'm talking about, okay? I actually caught the movie by accident. There was a trailer going on, my wife was watching it, and I walked by, I said, ooh, a car question. Look at that car, it's a beautiful car, Tom Cruise is driving it. And remember, Vanilla Sky, what car was he driving, make and model, and the other particulars about that car. There is a particular note about that car which will pop right up on Google. First 2 people first to answer the question get the sticker. And I'm also going to post right now the past winner. Another guy, a gentleman was from Canada. He sent me pictures of him with his stickers, and you know, really makes my day, you know, to know that, you know, you guys watch something I put out, I reward you. Plus, you guys are so nice to me. It's a blessing. Still got a year. Ooh, man. I thought a year and 4 months, but you know what? It's going. We're almost a year and 3 months and 3 weeks. Okay. And in the future, I am going to make some sharpening videos. Okay, sharpen teeth. And I know I promised you in the past, but right now it's so hot and stuff. I'm just doing what I can. I've been busy as hell. I'll make one the poor man's way to do it. And I know I'm going to get a lot of, oh God, I know I'm going to get a lot of comments on that. That's just going to drive me to the moon. That's not the right way, yada yada. Why aren't you doing it this way? It will be the poor man's way to sharpen your teeth of your machine, okay? Then I'll show you, and you know what I'll do? I'll build you one with a drill press and a bench grinder. I'll put it together in front of your eyes to where you can do it. All you'll have to do is go to garage sales or whatever, find a cheap drill press, find a cheap bench grinder, and then I'll show you where to get the wheel from and source it. You know, you can pay more or you can source it like I did, but from eBay. But with Corona, it takes a little while to get the stuff, okay, from over there. Those will be in videos coming up. And I promise, guys, keep asking me about it. I promise you, I will make them. First one I will make, though, will be the poor man's way. All right, I also make a video to show you I don't run these teeth anymore or have it. Like the Rayco type teeth or the old veneer that the tooth was on the pocket. And also your Sandvik guys or New River guys, that'll be in the same another video. I'll show you something I'm trying to do real cheap for you. I found a cheap disc. I'm trying to adapt it, and if I can get it done, it might be a $6 wheel that you can put on the bench grinder and just, it's for tuning up your teeth, okay? That means if the teeth are still new and you just, you know, want to put a little, keep the edge on it, that's what it'll be for, okay? So stand by in the future for that. Hopefully I can get that accomplished for you too, and a few more other things. I'll make a video this week probably of, I'm waiting on the filter to come in from a hydraulic system on the 2550s. Very important. You need to watch it if you have one of those machines and change that filter. And there's another hidden filter a lot of guys don't know about that I'll show you, okay? Anyway, God bless you guys. You guys have been fantastic. Make sure to like, subscribe, make a comment. It helps me out on Google. And anyway, like I always say, if you're not learning something new every day, you must be dead. And I know you're not, because you're watching this video right now. God bless you, man. Thanks.